morning, everyone, and happy Vlogmas day 3. I just showered, did my makeup, and put on this Christmas robe. And you guys, I am so here for this. Look at how cute this is. This is the Christmas robe of my dreams. And I got it from Fred Meyer. That's also where I got my pink gingham one that a bunch of y'all really liked. And I had that one up for like months. Now I'm going to put on some lotion because my skin is very dry right now. And I have been trying to make it a habit to put lotion immediately right after I get out of the shower. Also, I just shaved, so I have to put lotion on. This has been my favorite lotion lately. It's the Tree Hut Candy Cane Whipped Shea Body Butter, and you can actually get this at Target. I've been watching YouTube as I've gotten ready, and now I'm going to make a coffee because I literally need coffee right now or else I'm gonna go crazy. It has taken everything in me not to decorate my house. I have gone Christmas shopping already in Vlogmas Day 1. I showed you guys what I got over the course of November, but I haven't put anything out, and I don't plan on putting anything out until we do it in order together. Let me know what you guys think. Like, I'm genuinely curious of the Vlogmas intro. I absolutely am obsessed with it, and this is just the best time of the year. I know I already said that, but like, I freaking love Vlogmas, you guys. Ah, it's so good.
Give me a little OOTD.
Okay, so OOTD, we've got socks, Set Active, leggings, Lululemon Align 25 inches, Glossier hoodie. This is one of my all-time favorite hoodies. It is so comfy. And yeah, I just love the embroidery. Glasses are from I Buy Direct. Hat is from Push and Pour. And rings, wait, I gotta put on my rings. Ring haul.
You're literally the cutest human ever, Caroline. I cannot.
David Yurman ring. Shout out to T Manning, TT. This is from a farmer's market. It's like a handmade little heart. Promise ring, Drew. And then this ring is Anthro.
Give me a little spin. Give me a little spin. Hey.
Alright, let's go to class.
Yes, ma'am.
Time to work.
Sea slime out.
Oh,
snow, candy cane and mistletoe.
can I please get an espresso?
When I came home, everybody was asking why it ain't Christmas time, but when it hits you, well, you know. Then December rolled around, the snow was falling down.
No, like literally it's snowing. Okay, boomer.
And he said,
Okay, I'm not single, but single of the season, baby.
Doing wood all season, decorating alone this Christmas. Who needs a tradition? Movie marathon for one was all we watch.
Hello, everyone, and what's up? I'm at school. I kind of have to hurry because I'm running a little bit late, but there is no better feeling than jamming out to your own songs, especially when they're Christmas songs. So both of those songs I actually wrote, and they're on Spotify, iTunes, etc. So you should totally go listen to them. Let's go to class. I'm running just a tad bit late, but I want to show y'all what I brought for lunch. Usually I go home for lunch just because I try not to eat out, but I brought this little kale quinoa salad and I'm gonna eat it today because I never eat here. But I want to because, you know, living off campus, you really have to try extra hard to integrate yourself into the school life, all that stuff. So I'll probably, like, I don't know, sit in the student union building and do homework and eat. So, let's go. Just got out of my first class of the day and I am going to do some studying. I decided to reserve one of the study rooms here in the library and I'm just going to knock out all my homework for the week. That way tonight I can fully devote my attention to editing my Vlogmas video from yesterday. Also, my kale quinoa salad was amazing. I ate it during my class and if you've never tried it, you need to go to Whole Foods and get it. It's literally the best. Also, I'm gonna show you guys what these little rooms look like. So it's really cute. It's just like a small little study room and this one is on the 4th floor. I need to go and fill out my planner. Lots of things happening this week. You don't want to miss out. If you're not already subscribed, go and subscribe. I'm all finished studying. Now I'm gonna go to my business class. You guys, I literally feel so sick. Like, I don't know why, but I feel like I'm about to throw up. So I'm gonna take some Benadryl. I am literally so cold. I just got home from school and I'm starving, but I also booked a workout class at 6:30, so I'm gonna make dinner. It's literally freezing. I like don't want to take this off, but I know I need to because I'm gonna get hot very, very easily. I'm gonna make some tacos because tacos always hit and I love these tortillas. They're whole wheat tortillas. So yum. Let me show you guys. So this is them. It's from the brand Mission and it's just whole wheat soft tortillas, and then I'm gonna use this meat to make some tacos. I don't have any beans, so today's taco is kind of bland, but we've got the meat, some brown rice, and then some Mexican shredded cheese, and of course, some salsa.
I hope not.
Mm.
I don't think he did. We think we didn't think that he would come this week, but Dad suspected he may have.
Yeah.
What's for dinner?
I made taco.
You made what?
A taco.
Oh, taco? Good. All right.
Whoa. Hi.
Drew got a haircut.
Haircut.
Okay, I'm gonna have a banana and oat milk. I got this from Whole Foods. So excited.
Some milk.
Yeah.
Oh, my package of chips. Says about you. I got my tank top.
Make it sturdy.
You got a tank top.
Oh, oat milk. Almond milk. You're like, yeah,
Yeah, but
almond
you might
milk.
get a post session.
Mm.
Did you go for basketball?
Oh, how was it?
It was good. I felt good for that.
This is today's fit. I just changed into my work outfit. I'm going to a HIIT class and currently it is 5:55, which means I gotta roll out of here. I have been really liking HIIT workouts and I love it. So going to go to that right now. Really quick, I'm going to take my elderberry little droplets. I've been loving these. I got this at a farmer's market, and basically elderberry is very, very good for your immune system. And if there's anything that I learned from COVID, prioritize your immune system. And the easiest way to do that is by taking things like vitamin C and elderberry. So basically I just unscrew the lid and put 2 drops under my tongue. It's low-key kind of spicy, but like, it does the trick. Okay.
Boost that immune system.
Mm-hmm. I'm gonna go drive to my workout class and I will see you guys there.
Crown, that's a jam.
Brr, it's so cold. Oh my gosh, I just had the best workout. So I'm not bald, I promise. I have my hair pulled back. I literally just had the best workout. First, I went to my HIIT class, obviously. And then after, I just walked on the treadmill at an incline of 2, speed 3. I did that for 30 minutes. And then I went into one of the studio rooms and did a little core bar workout. So that was amazing. And I feel so great. There's no better feeling than doing a workout without getting distracted by your phone and actually being like intentional with your moves. And I think today I was pretty intentional with every single move that I did. I really pushed myself, not only in the HIIT class, but even after staying there. So right now it's 8:10 p.m. and I'm gonna go home. I have to shower and I definitely want to do a face mask as well. So let's go home, do that. Might make myself a protein shake, but I've been trying to not eat after 5:30. That's just, my body doesn't like it when I eat after 5:30. But I am drinking water and I have been drinking literally so much water since I got my Stanley Cup. It has just been the best investment. I got a package from Amazon and I ordered this, I think literally yesterday. But basically this is a little Pilates bender ball. We use these in bar class all the time, so I wanted one for at home. And I'm pretty sure I have to like blow it up with this straw. Perfect. Oh my gosh, that was literally so easy. I just had to, oh, I just had to blow it up and that was it.
Crackling wood all season, decorating alone this Christmas once again, making amends and tying loose ends. Everywhere you go, it smells like peppermint. Another year without someone's sweater. That means no broken hearts this December. Ginger snaps and candy.